Are you looking for the best TV antennas? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best TV antennas on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Qtbvae Indoor-Outdoor TV Antenna. The Qtbvae TV antenna offers an affordable way to enjoy 4K UHD television without monthly fees. With its advanced signal booster, you can receive channels from up to 650 miles away, ensuring you never miss your favorite shows, whether at home or on the go. Its stylish aluminum design is both waterproof and durable, allowing for outdoor use without worry. Plus, installation is quick and easy, taking just minutes to connect and set up, so you can start watching free TV in no time. What we like: excellent signal strength, crystal clear picture quality, easy installation process, sleek, modern design, works well in low signal areas. What we don't like: middle channel reception may pixelate. Number 2. Oyned 2024 Long Range TV Antenna. The Oyned Long Range Antenna offers an impressive reception range of over 1,200 miles, allowing you to access a variety of local channels for free. With its advanced signal booster, you can enjoy crystal clear HD, 4K, and even 8K broadcasts without pixelation. This versatile antenna is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, providing flexibility for installation in various locations. The included 33-foot cable simplifies setup, making it easy to find the best spot for signal reception. Say goodbye to hefty cable bills and enjoy your favorite shows with this efficient antenna. What we like: impressive range, clear HD digital reception, 4K and 1080p support, easy installation, durable and compact design. What we don't like: occasional signal issues, requires optimal placement. Number 3. Philips Amplified HD Digital TV Antenna, SDV7219N/27. Upgrade your TV experience with the Philips HD TV antenna. This slim, discreet indoor antenna is designed to provide enhanced reception and a perfect signal for your favorite local shows in full 1080p high definition. Its revolutionary design allows for easy mounting on top of your TV or wall, or you can simply place it on a tabletop. With a range of up to 50 miles, this antenna receives HD TV, VHF, and UHF channels, ensuring you have access to a wide variety of over-the-air content. The long, sleek bar design enhances VHF signal reception, giving you the highest number of channels available in your area. Plus, with US-based technical support and a limited lifetime replacement pledge, you can have peace of mind knowing that assistance is just a call away. What we like: easy setup, great picture clarity, good channel reception, stylish design, affordable price. What we don't like: potential pixelation issues. Some channels may not be captured. Number 4. NewFoot 2025 Indoor TV Antenna. The NewFoot indoor antenna offers an impressive range of over 1,600 miles, allowing you to enjoy a variety of local channels without the burden of high cable bills. With its capability to receive 4K HD channels, you can access popular networks like ABC, CBS, and NBC, ensuring a rich viewing experience. The antenna's 360 degrees reception ensures strong and stable signals, so you can enjoy clearer picture quality. Additionally, installation is a breeze, requiring just 3 simple steps to get you connected and watching your favorite shows in no time. What we like: long-range signal reception, access to HD channels, strong, stable signals, easy installation. What we don't like: power adapter not included. Number 5. YiziAifsion 2025 Long Range TV Antenna. The YiziAifsion TV antenna offers a fantastic way to cut cable costs while still enjoying your favorite shows. With a range of over 1,200 miles, this antenna ensures you can access a wide variety of local channels, no matter how far you are from broadcast towers. Its 360 degrees reception capability means you can place it anywhere in your home without worrying about signal loss. Plus, the built-in Smart IC technology provides clear and steady picture quality, enabling you to watch your favorite programs in stunning detail without the hassle of cable subscriptions. What we like: impressive 780-mile range, crystal clear picture quality, easy installation process, compact and blends well, cost-effective alternative to cable. What we don't like: limited outdoor performance noted.